Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, we're going to show you some examples of how WooCommerce bulk variation editing plugin can help you manage the shipping settings of product variations. Example number 1. Setting a new value to the weight and dimensions of shipping settings. In this example, suppose that you need to set a new dimension and weight for all product variations in the hoodies category except for red medium hoodies in your store. Open the filter form by clicking on the filter icon on the toolbar. Go to the Categories, Tags, Taxonomies tab. Select hoodies from the list of product categories and then select Not In from the condition boxes of both the product color and product size fields. Select red and medium for product color and product size fields respectively, and click on Get Products to filter them. Now mark some products in the table and click on the Manage Variations option in the toolbar. Click on the edit icon at the top of the table and click on all variations of selected products if you want to manage the shipping for all variations. Otherwise, you can mark some variations and then click on Selected Variations. In the Bulk Actions form, go to the Shipping tab and select Set New for the condition box of all shipping fields. Type your favorite weight and dimensions in the text box of each field and click on the Do Bulk button. Okay, let's see. There are two products, hoodies with pockets and hoodies with zipper. Now click on Edit Product and navigate to the Variation tab and open the variation. And as you can see, the weight and dimensions have been set. Example number 2. Changing the shipping class and height of one of the variations. Let's try to decrease the height by 12 and set its shipping class the same as parent. So you're gonna go to the Variation Bulk Edit again and click on the edit icon of the variation you need in the table. Open the Shipping tab and select Decrease by Value in the first combo box of the height field. And type 12 in the text box. Then open the combo box of Shipping class and select Same as Parent and click on the Do Bulk button. What you need to do now is open the product and navigate to the Variation tab and open the variation, and as you can see, the height is decreased by 12 and the shipping class has been set as Same as Parent.